Okay, good morning students. Hope you all are keeping fine. Okay. So since already I have completed the syllabus of unit test, now I am going to start. Only 2 chapters are left to complete the book. That is, now one the important chapter it is there, that is CS3. What is Flash CS3? Okay. Flash CS3, it is a multimedia software. It is a multimedia software. Multimedia, we can do multiple things in a software. What are the things we can do? Okay, we are going to discuss in here facilities. What are the facilities? Desktop application, mobile application, games, animation, all the things we can do in the Flash CS3. We can do different type of editing in the Flash CS3. So how to start Flash CS3? So it is very easy to learn. Okay, how to start? First you have to go to start button, then Adobe Master Collection CS3, then Adobe Professional CS3, then how to create it. This is the process how to open it. So this is the process to open it. Start Adobe Master Collection CS3, Adobe Professional CS3. So how to create it, how you can create a Flash documents. First you have to go to the file, then new, then OK. This way you can create a new document. Now you see this part, works page. So this is the white page. Suppose you are doing in Microsoft Word, you are getting a white page. If you are doing in Excel, you are getting some ruling page. If you are doing in Flash CS3, you are getting a white space. This white space, it is called workspace, where you want to do the work of Flash. So there so many things are there. That workspace, this middle part, it is called stage. And the layers, what are layers? They are different type of artworks. You want to, suppose in the message you want to give some smiley, or you want to decorate it, you want to send some pictures, anything you are doing in suppose SMS, you are doing, you are typing or you are inserting this type of symbols and you are sending the SMS. When you are in a Flash CS3, if you want to insert any artwork, you are getting in the layers. So this is about the part, what are things are here. This white part, it is called workspace, and the middle part, it is called stage, and the artwork, this is the layers, what you want to insert some artwork. Property panel is there. What is property panel? What are the properties you are getting in Flash CS3? Image, shape, text. Okay. Now how to create an animation. For creating animation, Flash CS3 it is used. So this is about the part. This is about the things that are present in the Flash CS3 that you are going to do. So next, now part by part it is given in the book. This is the first introduction part. Tool panel. What is the tool panel? What are the tools are available in the Flash CS3? In the page number 91 you see selection tool, free transform, pen tool, line tool, pencil tool, eyedropper, hand tool, swap tool. These all are the tools to do different type of editing in your Flash CS3. With this, now you go and see. So setting documents property. How to set the documents property? First go to the modify tab. In the modify tab you can select the document property, and in the property you can see different type of bitmap symbols will be available here. This part is called document property. Okay. How to draw an object in Flash. For drawing an object in Flash, you have to go to the rectangle tool. First you have to go to the rectangle tool. So rectangle tool is present. In the rectangle tool you can go and draw. Then click and drag the mouse pointer to the rectangle. Click on the pencil tool to smooth the mode. So rectangle tool is there. If you want to draw, then go to the pencil tool. Outline and fill. If you want to give some border, then you have to go to the selection tool, then select the pencil tool. Gradients, if you want to insert some color, then go to the paint bucket tool. Creating new gradient, then go to the window color control panel, then type box, linear gradient, it creates a gradient shade. Gradient means color. To insert any color, you have to go to the gradient. Importing graphic, go to the file menu, import to the library, click open button. Then if you want to bitmap, if you want to insert bitmap, so what is bitmap? Some pictures. Okay, go to the file menu, import option, import to the stage option. Then how you will create an animation when a series of still image, when you are inserting some still image, are displayed in a rapid form. Rapid means, you know, either it will go forward or it will come back. In the Flash, you can insert animation by changing the contents of selected frame. This way, there are two ways in animation, that is cartoon, which you see in your television is an example of your animation. Then animation play a vital role in multimedia program, that is twin animation and frame by frame animation. Twin animation, which is twinned animation, only starting and ending keyframes are created to animate the object. Twin animation means starting and ending keyframe. Frame by frame animation means when the still pictures are simulated in a sequence of movement. When still image are given some movement, that is called frame by frame animation. And twinned is only starting and ending it is given. Only suppose the object starting and ending it is given, that is called twin animation. So this is about the chapter. So other part next class I will discuss. Okay, thank you.